This is Redpill with his rendition of Big Papa off the Ready to Die album. The Notorious B.I.G. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical dishes in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping my wet, is where you'll find me. What? The back of the club, macking hoes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting, but I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with. That's right. Sleep with. Keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? 'Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig, and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. C notes by the layers. True. Fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree, cuz I love it when they call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To all the honeys getting money, playing ends like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist. Please don't shoot up the place. Why? 'Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Baby. Straight up, honey. Really, I'm asking. Most of these ends thinking they be macking, but they be acting. Who are they attracting with that line? What's that? Your name? What's your sign? Soon as they buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gonna be here for a while? I'm gonna call my crew. You go call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar round 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front, roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few, 'cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? True? Forget the telly. We just go to their crib, watch a movie in the jacuzzi. Smoke some L's while you do me. I love it when they call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when they call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing ends just like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist. Please don't shoot up the place. 'Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Baby. How you living, Biggie Smalls? in mansions and Benz, giving ends to my friends, and it feels stupendous. Tremendous cream. Fuck $1 and a dream. Still tote gat strapped with infrared beams. Chopping O's, smoking lie and optimos. Money, hoes, and clothes is all the end knows. A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure for what? So grams, I had to measure. However, living better now, Coogee sweater now. Drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend. Yeah, honey, check it. Tell your friends to get with my friends, and we can all be friends. Shit, we can do this every weekend. That's right. That's all right with you? Is that all right with you? Yeah, keep banging. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Till the honeys getting money, playing ends just like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist. Please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Redpill rendition of Notorious B.I.G. Ready to Die Out. Big Pop.